this is the next part of the hotel tours here in Medjugorje. Come with me. I'll take you on a bike ride through the streets of Medjugorje. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video. Other people also can get the information. This is Hotel Marino. You have pension. Look at that one. There's so many hotels you can choose. Let's go further. Here you have the school of Medjugorje for the children, the young children. There's Hotel Leone in the back. And you have supermarkets all over the place where you can buy stuff. Now we go this way here. When I came here, I was going down this road. Bit further. Got Hotel Luna here. The Part Hotel Irish House over there. And that's a supermarket where I went shopping as well. But I take you now this road down here. Good morning. It is so beautiful, isn't it? Another hotel. You see all over the place. Hotels, coffee shops. You can choose from a variety. Just look on booking.com or directly hotels, Google Medjugorje. I like this hotel, Hotel Branco. It's a very beautiful hotel. One of my favorites in Medjugorje is Hotel Branco. Another hotel here. And you see this is already the outskirts of Medjugorje. So I leave you with this on this part of the walking bike tour hotels Medjugorje. Give a like, subscribe to the channel and share the videos, and see you have nature all around. I think these are fig trees, and yeah, isn't that beautiful? A good combination. You have nature and Medjugorje, isn't that nice? Okay, God bless you all. And pray for me, I pray for you here in Medjugorje. And remember, we are the Hallelujah people, we share the joy. If we don't, who does share joy in this world? Bye bye for now.